Hi and welcome back. Now, just some basic triangle work. In this question they want us to draw an equilateral triangle for the given side. Right. Now, luckily they give us the triangle that is our 60-degree angle on our 30-60. Right, so if you have a drawing and you have to start drawing on it and it's been printed on, do not align the page, but align the physical drawing. Make sure that your ruler is parallel to your ruler, because sometimes the printers tends to shift the paper a bit, and then when you think you're aligned, you're not. Right. So I'm going to move my ruler, I'm going to place it, I'm going to lock it in position. Right, I'm going to take my 30-degree or my 60-degree angle, make sure I go through this side, and I'm going to construct a light line, very, very light, and then I'm going to take the other side on the corner. Now where that meets up, I can just draw a dark line all the way to there, and there it is. Just make the other one dark as well. There we go. Easy enough. Right. Now we have to do the same, but using a compass. Right. Again, this is much easier than using a triangle. It's more accurate for me. Right. So first you're going to make your compass. You're going to set it out on the max on this line. Right. Now what I like to do is I like to make a little dent in the page, and then a little dent in the page on that line on that side. So when I move my compass on it, I'll feel the dent, so I know I'm there. Right. So again, now I'm going to take my compass, construct a light line up. Right, and I'm going to construct another line up. There where they meet, we can double check it with our 60 degrees. You see, it is perfect. So just join this point of your line up with where those two lines meet up, those two arcs. And there we go. That's how you draw a triangle, just using your compass. Right. Now, our next drawing, we have to use our 45-degree triangle. Now this, again, this is just for exercise. It's for you to know how to use your triangles. Now using our 45-degree line, we need to construct a perfect square. Alright, ruler locked. Now they indicate to us we must start at a 45-degree angle on this side. Alright, now I'm going to do exactly the same on this side. 45-degree angle. Now, these two cross exactly in the middle of the triangle. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this line straight up where it meets that 45, and I'm going to just draw a dark, an A-type line. Do the same on this side, draw a dark, and now I'm going to move my ruler up, and I'm just going to connect these top corners. There we go. That is your perfect square, just using your 45 degree. Now, on the bottom page, you have to draw it using your compass only. Right. Again, now, a square is 90-degree angle. Right, so now we have to go up 90 degrees. Now, this is the tricky one. How do we construct a 90-degree angle without using one of your triangles, but only using your compass? There's a construction method that we can use. You're going to take your compass, any setting, alright, not too big, not too small, alright, place it on one of the corners, and then I'm going to draw an arc. This arc is construction, and it goes a bit further than where 90 degrees should be. Now I'm going to take my compass again, place it on that line where the arc meets. I'm going to make a mark on that arc. I'm going to shift my compass to that point, and I'm going to make another mark. Now these two I'm going to use again using the same setting. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to make a arc to the top, and place it there on that line, on that intersection there, and I'm going to make another arc. Now this should be perfect 90-degree angle. And yes, it is. Right. So now I'm going to duplicate it on the other side. Again, any setting, just make sure it doesn't move or change. On this one side, draw a construction arc, C-type. Place it on this line, mark it, shift, try not to move it or adjust it. Okay, I'm going to use the same point on the top. Going to use that next point, crisscross, a little bit dark. Right, and I'm going to connect this point up through that point, and it will be at 90-degree angle. Right, so what do we know about a perfect square? All my sides are equal, so I'm going to duplicate, take these two of this one side at the bottom. Okay, make sure I go through that dent again. Yes, I do. Mark it off, mark it off. And I'm going to draw my A-type line, my final dark line, and I can draw these two dark as well. And there we go. Right, in my next video I'm going to explain to you how to draw a pentagon. The pentagon is a bit long, and this video is going to be a bit too long, so thanks for the view. Subscribe and leave me a like.